Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 7. In this opportunity, we would like to present our essays about bubble sort algorithm. But before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Galih Lanjar Pangastuti.
My name is Kirana Shaudulaimba.
In this presentation, we will discuss about algorithm, data structure, sorting algorithm, bubble sort algorithm, the implementation of bubble sort, comparison bubble sort with the other sorting algorithm. Okay, from this slide, my partner Diana Nansha will explain about this material.
So first, what is algorithm? Algorithm is a logical procedure that has arranged systematically to solve problems. What is data structure? Data structure is the way of saving, organizing, and managing data so that the data can be stored neatly and easily to reuse for other business. Simple data type, first a simple single such as array and record, and then simple compound such as string. And then simple data structure such as array and record, compound data structure, linear and nonlinear. What is sorting? Sorting is a process or technique for arranging data element in a certain sort order. So there are many sorting algorithms. First is quick sort, second is merge sort, third is counting sort, fourth selection sort, and the fifth is bubble sort. Bubble sort algorithm. Bubble sort is a basic sorting algorithm with the simplest sorting method. The data sort process will go continuously until the data has sorting according to the instruction, and there is no more swap between each data in the bubble sort iteration. This algorithm will sort the data using the comparison between each element. Data sorting in bubble sort can be done with sorting the data from the lowest to the highest value, known as ascending, or from the highest to the lowest value, known as descending. So how bubble sort work? First, bubble sort algorithm process takes place by comparing the adjacent data in a set. And then one data will be compared to the other data that is definitely next to that data. And that data will be repeated until the data are sorted and the amount of the iteration left. This is the process of data sorting in bubble sort. So the first we input the data and then it will check the data. After that, it will sorting the data from the highest value to the lowest value, and then the data will be print and the process will end. There are two concepts in bubble sort. First is ascending. Ascending is a bubble sort concept that sort the lowest to the highest data value. The position of lowest data value will be swapped with the highest data value. It will be swapped if the lowest value is behind the highest value. The process will be repeated again until all of the lowest value is in front of the highest value. So this is the process of sorting with bubble sort. First, the process will move the highest data to the last in the set, and it will repeat until the data is sorted. Next will be explained with my partner Gali Lanjar.
Okay, the second concept in bubble sort is descending concept. Descending is a bubble sort process concept that sorts the data from the highest to the lowest data value. The position of lowest data value will be swapped with the higher data value. It will be swapped if the highest data value is behind the lowest data value. So this is the process of sorting in descending concept. The highest data value will be moved into the first place in this set. So this process will go until the data sorted from the highest to the lowest data value. Now I'll explain about the implementation of bubble sort algorithm in Java. We make it in NetBeans IDE 8.2 version. Here is the implementation in ascending concept. For the first, we declare the main method and the array argument variable and call the bubble sort ascending integer procedure in the main method in the end of main method to display the result of bubble sort process and to display the result of bubble sort process. Next, we make the procedure to display the result of the bubble sort process and a statement to display the data before the bubble sort process happened. And next, we create a looping for sorting the data value in bubble sort process. After that, we make a statement to print out the data value that has been sorted in bubble sort process. And this is for the output. This is the output before the bubble sort process. And this is the output after the bubble sort process. It will sort the data from the lowest to the highest data value. And here's for the implementation of descending bubble sort concept in Java. The step is the same with the code and step for make the algorithm is the same with the ascending concept, but the difference is in this looping where the value of index number j should be less than the value of number j plus 1. It means that the current value should be less than the next value to be swapped. And this is for the output. This is the output before the bubble sort process, and this is the output after the bubble sort process. The data will be sorted from the highest value to the lowest value. Comparison bubble sort with other sorting. The first is bubble sort, sometimes referred to as syncing sort repeatedly steps through the list, compares adjacent elements and swaps them if they are in the wrong order. The pass through the list is repeated until the list is sorted. The algorithm, which is a comparison sort, is named for the way smaller or larger elements bubble to the top of the list. Insertion sort. Insertion sort builds the final sorted array one item at a time. It iterates, consuming one input element each repetition, and growing a sorted output list. At each iteration, insertion sort removes one element from the input data. finds the location it belongs within the sorted list, and insert it there. It repeats until no input elements remain. And the last is selection sort. Algorithm divides the input list into two parts: a sorted sublist of items, which is built up from left to right at the left of the list, and a sublist of the remaining unsorted items that occupy the rest of the list. It will finding the smallest element in the unsorted sublist, exchanging it with the leftmost unsorted element, and moving the sublist boundaries one element to the right. Here is the advantages and disadvantages of bubble sort. For the advantages, bubble sort bubble sort is popular and easy to implement. Elements are swept in place without using additional temporary storage. The space requirement is at a minimum. And for the disadvantages, list doesn't deal well with a list containing a huge number of items, requires n-squared processing step for every n number of elements to be sorted, mostly suitable for academic teaching but not for real-life applications, because bubble sort takes a long time in sorting the data. For the last is conclusion. So bubble sort is the simplest sorting process. It will sort the data value by swapping the data with other data on a set. The data will swap until it has sorted as the instructions. Bubble sort is an effortless way of sorting the elements of an array. It has more time complexity. It is a stable and in-place algorithm which is most used for introducing the concept of sorting algorithm. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for watching our presentation. We would like to apologize if there were any mistakes that we made. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.